Now, but even as retired President Uhuru Kenyatta held a meeting with Wiper leader Kalonzo Musyoka today, DCP leader Rigathi Gachagua has defended his political strategy for the Mount Kenya region, dismissing claims that he is seeking to dismantle smaller parties in favor of his own outfit. Now, speaking at his Wamunyoro residence, Gachagua also sustained his criticism of President William Ruto's administration while outlining his vision for opposition unity. Clement Masombo reports.
Rigathi Gachagua used his Wamunyoro address to respond to criticism from political leaders who had accused him of calling for the dissolution of smaller political parties in the Mount Kenya region. The DCP leader maintained that he supports a multi-party political landscape, saying his objective is to strengthen cooperation among like-minded parties rather than absorb them into a single political movement.
Nimeona juzi my brothers pale, Justin Muturi, Peter Munya na huyu Lene Kivuti wanalia. Ati DCP imekuwa too strong, Rigiji hataki chama zingine. No. I think they are misguided. Mimi nataka vyama nyingi. Kwa sababu mimi nataka kuwa president, si ndio? Vyama zikiwa mingi watasaidia kwa voter turnout, si ndio?
Gachagua insisted that regional unity should be anchored on a shared political agenda and coordinated electoral strategy, arguing that internal divisions would only weaken the opposition's prospects in the 2027.
I want to tell the people of Kenya, there is no hurry to arrive at a single presidential candidate. We have time. First things first. How do you choose a candidate before you consolidate? We also need to sit down to kiambua ni nani. We look at the level of consolidation, because that will be a factor. What have you consolidated? What are the numbers? Then tuongee.
Gachagua also renewed his attacks on President William Ruto's administration, dismissing the government's proposed national conversation on Kenya's post-Vision 2030 development agenda as a political diversion from the country's pressing economic challenges.
Watu wakitoka bash, wananyolewa saa, simu na pesa. 2 hours. Police have kept away because police and goons work together. Goons naambia police tuko pale kazi, tutakuja kugawa pesa 50-50. That is what is happening. Goons are working, police keep off, they rob money from the people of Kenya, they share with the police. Police and goons are the same. And that is the problem we're having in this country.
The Wamunyoro address came as political realignments continue to gather pace, with opposition leaders engaged in negotiations over coalition structures and the eventual selection of a single presidential candidate to challenge President William Ruto in the 2027 general election. Gachagua has repeatedly maintained that opposition unity remains essential if it is to mount a competitive challenge. Clement Masombo, KTN.